Hello everyone, my name is Bhavan Sai. I graduated from IIT Dhanbad in Integrated Master of Technology from Mathematics and Computing. Today, Honorable President of India, Draupadi Murmu, offered me with gold medal for being topper in my branch Mathematics and Computing. The credit of this success truly goes to the training I received based on the few principles of Bhagavad Gita from ISKCON Dhanbad and to Srila Prabhupada to establish this international society for propagating this message of Bhagavad Gita to large members without any adulteration, and to His Grace Namprem who always guided me and inspired me to practically follow the Bhagavad Gita in my life, and to my parents who always supported me at all times. Currently, I am working as software engineer in PhonePe. The credit to this success goes to the training I received based on the Bhagavad Gita. If I wouldn't have come in contact with ISKCON Youth Forum, I would have easily got distracted and spoiled my life. Nowadays, it is very common that youth get contracted with so many bad habits, especially during the engineering time. And many people are not even caring to get rid of them. Some important aspects of the training which helped me a lot. The mantra meditation. Mantra meditation helps in so many ways. One of the ways that it helps one to be situated in the alpha state of mind, where one's productivity, creativity, decision-making skills and memory are enhanced to a large extent, and one is situated in a very less distraction-prone zone. And secondly, the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita, which is so inspiring, which is the essence of the spiritual knowledge. It gives the true meaning and purpose of life. Association. If one is among the gentlemanly-like people and associating with them, automatically one will also become like a gentleman. That's the beauty of this training. The one-line message I would like to give is that the material life is like one wing of the bird, and spiritual life is like another wing of the bird. If both the wings are healthy, then the bird can fly very freely and very high in the sky. You can see in the recent times, in the last 4-5 months, 4 students committed suicide in IIT Kharagpur, and every year hundreds are committing suicide in IITs and NITs. It is just because of the lack of spiritual knowledge. They're not having any purpose and meaning to their life. That's why they are not finding any true fulfillment in their life. I'm very, very grateful to ISKCON Youth Forum for making me practice and apply Bhagavad Gita in my life. Many people tell ISKCON people just chant and dance. That's true, but it's very practical, and many lakhs of people are getting transformed. My conviction is that without spiritual knowledge, there is no meaning in life. One may achieve so many big achievements, so many big material achievements, but they are of no use. But if he has spiritual knowledge, it is adding like one in front of so many zeros. So actually, the spiritual knowledge make all the material achievements valuable. Thank you. Hare Krishna.